Hi, this is Matthias. Welcome to Negotiation Breakdown, where we analyze iconic negotiation clips, focusing on strategies and tactics.
The way our agreement works is the minute Cooper signed the deal which gave you... I check.
Raise 5,000.
I'm all in.
Raise, I'm all in. What we see here is they present Harvey Specter as a gambler. So he loves risk, he loves to play the game, he is not afraid about losing money, so he's all in. It's called bluffing, so you pretend the feeling that you're on this winner street and you will win this game.
And you're telling me I'm going to get screwed?
Jessica, have I come at a bad time?
Gerald, this is Harvey Specter. He's our best closer.
Well, if you're the best...
This is Harvey Specter, he's our best closer. That's very important in a negotiation. So if a decision maker is introducing the negotiator, that needs to be obviously in a very positive way. So he's the best negotiator in our company. He will take care of this. You can rely on him because he's my best guy for this case.
Best closer, where the hell you been for the last 3 hours?
Well, Gerald, I specialize in troubled situations, and when I left here at 7 p.m., this deal wasn't in...
So this is very interesting. He's asking Harvey Specter, where have you been? And he's not answering a question. And this is that's so crucial and so important in a negotiation. You shouldn't answer a question. Play your game, play on your script. Don't jump in their sandbox. It's called jumping in their sandbox if you accept their game.
Situations, and when I left here at 7 p.m., this deal wasn't in jeopardy, so I'm just trying to figure out what happened in the interim.
We keep offering more money, they keep rejecting it. It's last-minute bad faith bullshit.
Says here that Cooper won't be staying on as honorary vice president.
That's right, I don't want him around.
He wouldn't be around. It's an honorary position.
I don't give a shit.
Well, I think you do, because that's what's changed since I left, which means it's you who's been dealing in bad faith.
Well, no.
So he's accusing him, you are dealing in bad faith. His answer is definitely too fast, he should wait a bit.
Now that you've got a grasp on what's happened in the goddamn interim, what are you going to do about it? Because he's not getting that title.
He's not getting this title. Harvey Specter is waiting. That's great.
Well, let me make sure I understand this, okay? We negotiated a deal that gave you everything you wanted. Mr. Cooper signed it. And now you won't close until we take away the last shred of his dignity?
Bingo.
Well, that's not going to happen.
And why the hell not?
Because I like Mr. Cooper, and my firm doesn't operate in bad faith.
Oh, I see how it is. Instead of working Cooper, you're working me. Well, why don't you take your
Body language, now I want the conflict.
pansy attitude back in there and make him sign my deal. Or I'll pay someone else your money to do it for me.
Well, first of all, Gerald, if you think anyone's going to touch this deal after your bad faith, you're mistaken. Second, the way our agreement works is the minute Cooper signed the deal which gave you everything you wanted, our fee was due and payable, which is why at 7:30 I received confirmation of a wire transfer from escrow indicating payment in full.
Escrow, meaning they got the money already. The only thing they need is an additional signature.
Payment in full.
So, do you want to see it? Do you believe me? Pretending it's not a bluff. This is what's all about. This is what I got.
So I'd say the ball's in your court, but the truth is your balls are in my...
The ball is in your court, providing this feeling you can do whatever you want. You have options.
my fist. Now, I apologize if that image is too pansy for you, but I'm comfortable enough with my manhood to put it out there. Now get your ass in there and close the goddamn...
Get your ass in here and close this deal. A clear signal. Right now I'm in a very powerful position, and I tell you what to do.
Deal.
So now it's like poker. It's like all in.
You let him talk to me like this?
Harvey speaks for the firm.
Decision maker always speaks for the firm. That's very good. This is what a decision maker needs to do. She shouldn't jump in taking over the negotiation. She should say exactly he speaks for the firm. That's good. Drama. I love drama.
We got paid before Gerald signed the deal.
What are you talking about? This is a memo about some fire drill on Tuesday.
Huh.
You're the blue team captain. You get to wear a fire hat.
Bluff. It worked. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more regarding difficult negotiations, please visit our website, download our negotiation checklist, and subscribe to our negotiation newsletter. Thank you again.